We are here for another tutorial. So for today, ang ating pag-aaralan is the sounds of H and ing, then the long sound of I. Okay? So tara na, let's go. Napakahirap nito, ha? Napakahirap na, sobrang hirap. So please pay attention dito sa sulat kong symbol dito sa whiteboard. So, symbol niya is for both H and ing, I. So, ayan. Ayan yung symbol ng H at saka ni ing or ing. Okay, so the letter H which almost always occur at the beginning of a word is presented by a dot placed above the vowel. Okay, so kung meron tayong, for example, so bigay ko ang example. For example, word natin is he. Okay, so he. So pag sinulat natin siya, H, then yung vowel natin na E. So ayan po yung magiging symbol niya. Okay? So the sound of ing, which almost occurs at the end of a word, is presented by a dot placed close to the end of the body of the outline. For example, word natin is meeting. So pag sulat natin siya in Steno, so kung naalala nyo pa yung mga symbols natin last time, okay, so si M, si E, at saka si T, panoorin nyo yung video na yun kung hindi nyo pa alam yung mga symbols sila. Ngayon, pag napanood nyo na, balik kayo dito. Okay? So, for meeting, we're going to write it like this. So, M, E, T, then, yung symbol ng ing or ng ing, you place it malapit dun sa outline. So, ayan po yung magiging symbol po niya. Okay? So, more examples. So, ito na yung mga words na gagawa natin ng shorthand spelling. Shorthand symbol. So, we have hit, hitting, hate, dating, heading. So, hindi ako makarelate dito sa dating. Ano ba yan? Ba't ko ba nilagay yan dyan? Anyway, so sulatan natin siya in shorthand. So, first we have hit. So, H. So, the H, then E-T. Hit. Next, we have hitting. Okay, so we have H, then ayan. Hate, hate, dating, dating, heading, heading, so ganyan lang natin siya sinusulat. So pag yung tuldok niyo is nasa harap, that is H. Kung yung tuldok niyo nasa dulo, that is ing or ing. Okay? Let us proceed do sa next symbol natin, si long I. Okay? Okay, next naman, we have the sound of long I. Okay, so the shorthand symbol for long I is a broken circle. So, sinusulat natin siya like this. Ganyan. Basta yung dulo niya is not connected dun sa starting point nung circle natin. So, for example, word natin is high. So, pag sinulat natin siya, syempre, meron tayong H. Then, we are going to write the I symbol. Kasi yun lang dalawang sound na yun yung meron sa word. Okay. Ayan. High. Nakakuha po? Syempre, walang sasagot. Diyos ko po. Okay, so, comment kayo kung nakuha nyo. Okay? Pag di nyo nakuha, panoorin nyo na lang ulit. Okay, so try natin magsagot ng mga words gamit yung long I sound. Okay? Okay, so ito na yung gagawa natin ng sa symbols ay ng shorthand. So, start tayo. So, we have my. My. Next, we have might. Might. Next, we have mine. Mine. Next, we have tide. Okay, so ayun lang po yung symbol natin for long I. Okay, so I hope you learned something. So again, recap tayo. Si H at saka si ing, symbol nila is a dot, while si long I, ang symbol nila is, or symbol niya is a broken circle. So sana may natutunan kayo sa episode na ito. So see you on the next episode. Click nyo yung like dyan sa baba, comment na rin kayo, then subscribe. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you!